Hey y'all, just wanted to show you a little bit of our day at the range with the Ruger American Ranch rifle, chambered in 450 Bushmaster. He was sighting it in here at 50 yards. Just getting a good group going. There were 3 shots right there. This is one of those shots. The scope on the gun is a Leupold VX Freedom 3-9x4 with a custom ballistic dial on top of it. That was his 100-yard shot. First time at 100 yards. His first time shooting a handgun in over 6 months. And here I am, just finishing out the day. We fired 200 rounds through the SIG 10 mil. Of course, it ran perfectly. The gun has a total of 412 rounds through it now. We'll probably go back out to the range in the next week or so and try to put 200 to 400 more rounds through it. Had a great time, man. Thank y'all for watching. God bless.